All these things you are seeing here are button. If I click on any of it, it will take me to that particular sheet. Okay, so this is another sheet. All right, I can click on it again and then take me to another sheet. Is that okay? So I'm going to show you how you can use such buttons to go to another sheet from a particular sheet. Okay, so what we are going to do is go to insert, go to shapes, click on this shape, and then draw it. Enter whatever you want, the sheet you want it to locate for you. Then you format it properly as you desire. Okay, I'll increase the font and then I'll make it bold. All right, so when I'm done with all of that, when I'm done with formatting it, if I want to change the background color, the color of the shape, I can change the color of the shape here. Can you see? To anything whatsoever that I want. So to now make it take me to the sheet I want, I'll right click, then I'll click on hyperlink. Place in this document. I'll click on place in this document, and then I'll select that sheet where I want to go. This is the sheet I want to go, class attendance register. Then I'll click on OK. Okay, click out and then check it if it is working now. It will take you to that exact sheet. Can you see? Class attendance register. So this is the sheet, and that is how to use hyperlink to navigate your way from one sheet to the other in Microsoft Excel. Which other Excel tips would you want me to teach you next? Please comment, like, and share.